Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect PAYTM Money to your TradingView account. And right now we have here the Bitcoin USD chart, and I will show you how to connect your PAYTM Money to TradingView. So what we're gonna do from here is we go to Trading Panel, and then from here we scroll down and click on Show All Brokers. Then from now we do Ctrl F, and then right here we type in PAYTM, and then we have it already right here. So we click now here on PAYTM Money, then we click here on Connect, and then right now he will ask us to log in or register with our PAYTM Money account. So make sure now that you log in with your PAYTM Money account. They send you all the information to your email once you created an account, or maybe you already know all your details. Then fill it in, click on sign in, and after that you linked or you connect your PAYTM Money account to TradingView. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.